Abrupt fluctuations in acceleration can cause unacceptable motion errors in automobiles, transportation equipment, and industrial robots. Strain measurement modules can greatly assist in helping you measure and analyze these unexpected acceleration fluctuations. With high-speed sampling and multi-channel inputs, the compact HiOki MR8875 memory HiCorder is ideal for this important application. Maximum 16 input channels, 5 microsecond sampling, 8 megawords of internal memory, and real-time save to an SD card, all play an important role in the long-term measurement and recording of acceleration signals. Reliable multi-channel testing even on the field, all in pursuit of intuitive operability and efficiency. To start, let's connect the acceleration sensor and the bundled connection cable. Connect the other end of the cable to the strain unit. Now let's make the input settings on the MR8875 memory HiCorder. The displayed value can be converted from microstrain units to the measured parameter. On this screen, enter the rated capacity and output based on the acceleration sensor's datasheet so that the measured acceleration is directly displayed. Select the measurement range from the list. If the scale values are hard to read, you can use the variable function to set a new maximum and minimum. First, let's set a new maximum. For this measurement, we will change it to 2G. Now let's change the minimum to minus 2G. Secure the sensor and conduct auto balancing to ensure that there are no distortions. All of the channels can be auto balanced together to speed up the process. Now let's set the measurement conditions. For this test, we will turn real-time save on, then set the recording interval and recording time. Measurement will begin as soon as you press the start button. Use the repeat trigger function to capture one waveform after another. You can observe slight differences in the acceleration fluctuation by overlaying waveforms on top of one another. This is a very effective way to see how much each operation deviates from the next. The numerical calculation function provides statistics such as the maximum, minimum, and average values from the captured waveform data. Furthermore, a comparison function is available to let you compare and display go, no-go decisions on the measured data based on preset thresholds. The MR8875 comes with a LAN port that lets you control the instrument from a networked PC. Strain unit greatly expands the use of memory HiCorders in the fields of automobile and industrial robot development. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.